other day we read about little Critter and how he had a problem where he went from oh no to okay. Today we're going to read about another cranky situation. It's called Stop Snoring, Bernard. It's by Zachariah O'Hara. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard loved living at the zoo. He loved mealtime, playtime, and best of all, nap time. But there was one little problem. Bernard snored loudly. One afternoon at nap time, Grumpy Giles had had enough. "Snore somewhere else, Bernard," he said. Bernard tried sleeping in a lake, but that didn't work. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He tried sleeping in a fountain, but that didn't work either. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. He even tried sleeping in a puddle, but that really didn't work. Snore. Stop snoring, Bernard. Bernard was sad and lonely. He found a tucked away place, curled up by himself, and drifted off to sleep. Snore, snore, snore. The other otters missed Bernard. They searched for him all through the night. Bernard! Bernard! The next morning, Bernard woke up and saw hundreds of bats on the ceiling. "Excuse me," he said. "How did you sleep with all my snoring?" "We didn't," replied a bat. "We were out all night, and now we're trying to sleep. So please don't snore in here." Bernard felt terrible. There wasn't any place he could sleep without bothering somebody. He trudged toward the zoo gate. Think about what a trudge would look like. Trudge, trudge, trudge. He trudged towards the zoo gate. But then he heard something. It was the other otters. "I couldn't sleep without you," said Grumpy Giles. "I'm sorry I yelled. Please come back." And from that day on, everyone napped happily. Well, almost everyone. Good night, Bernard. Friends, that was another story where everyone was like, "Oh no, we can't sleep. Bernard can't sleep." But then, how did that story turn out okay? Let me know what you think.